Droëwors, which literally means dry sausage, is a Southern African snack food, which is based on the traditional coriander seed spiced boerewors sausage. However, there are three major differences between the two sausages. Droëwors is a thinner sausage which helps the sausage dry out faster. And in droëwors you do not use pork fat, because pork fat goes rancid when dried. So, if you want to add additional fat to your droëwors, use mutton fat. In droëwors, we also use a lot more vinegar for its preserving qualities. Our recipe is made with 1.5 kilograms of beef containing 10% fat. To help preserve the meat, we use 25 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of salt, as well as 1 cup or 250 milliliters of vinegar. The rest of the ingredients are all about taste, and you can certainly play with them. We use 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of toasted and grounded up coriander seeds, as well as 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 milliliter nutmeg, and 1 milliliter grounded up cloves. The first step in the droëwors making process is to cut the meat into cubes. It really helps to put the meat in the freezer for a while before you start cutting it, because it just makes the cutting process so much easier. The next part of the process is to grind up the meat. If you don't have access to a grinder, you could simply ask your butcher to do it for you or buy ground beef from the supermarket. Mix all your spices together and then add it to the meat. Make sure to mix and massage the ingredients into the meat so that those preserving qualities and flavor is well distributed. Once you've done that, you can start feeding the meat into the sausage maker. Normally you would arm the sausage maker with a casing, but we do it a little bit differently. The white thing you see in Hanlie's hand is the inside of a paper towel roll cut in half. She is catching the sausage as it comes out, which would normally be done by the casing, before placing it on this drying rack and putting it outside in the biltong box to dry. Give it about 5 days to dry and you will have the most delicious droëwors to enjoy.